Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make this simple slime. I've actually made 3 of them just to show you what colours you can make, any colour. So I made this simple one, this purple one, and then I made this blue one. It's really fun to play with, so you can stretch it, but I'm not doing it. So I will stretch it after I've done the video. And then I've made this green one. So there's lots of different colours you can do in this slime. So let's get to it. So first you're going to need to get a bowl. And then you just need to get some alien slime, plain slime actually. And then you're going to need to get these slime and make a hole in it. Like you. So you're going to need to get this. And then you're going to put it in the bowl, and then you see this. And then you're going to need to put a hole in here, just big. So you put a hole in here, and say this was my slime, my glitter actually. And then you put the glitter in here, and then you're going to scrub it in like this. And then when you're done with the slime, it will be done to play with. And anyway, make sure you comment below and what you want me to do next for the next video, and make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe and have a big thumbs up. Bye.